Hello guys, we'll move to the question number 7, and this question number 7 is pretty close to the question number 6, but there is a slight difference as well. And here also there are 3D vectors available. Now at this moment there are 3 vectors of 3D, and here they are asking about the cross product in the first question. We know how to get this cross product, and the second part is now it is asking about the sine value of the angle between A and B. In the previous question it has been asked about the cos value. Now cos value is coming for the dot product, and the sine value is coming for the cross product. And the third thing is A cross B dot C. That means this is a combination of cross product and the dot product. We'll call this thing as scalar triple product. It is called as scalar triple product. Scalar triple product. Actually, this scalar triple product is the volume which is given by these 3D vectors. When these 3D vectors are coming like this scalar triple product, it will be generating a parallel piped. Parallel pipe means it is the solid object which is relevant to the parallelogram. You know that if it is a rectangle, the solid object corresponding to that one is the cuboid. For a square it is cube, and the same manner for a parallelogram it is parallel piped. So this scalar triple product means you are getting the volume of that parallel pipe. To understand that one, I will show you what is this parallel pipe. I can have a diagram of the parallel pipe. So this is the parallel pipe. Okay, you can have this type of diagram. Okay, this is the parallel pipe. Okay, we'll make this enlarge a little bit and put this parallel pipe. Okay, right, I think now it is clear. So this scalar triple product means you are getting the volume of this parallel pipe. Okay, so and the next part they are asking about determine whether the above 3 vectors are linearly independent or not. Linear, if three vectors are linear independent, Li means linear independent, then those are not coplanar. That means these 3 vectors are not generating a flat surface. Actually it is generating what? This type of parallel pipe. Okay, that's why it is taken from the scalar triple product. Okay, if the 3 vectors are linear independent means those are not coplanar. If it is not coplanar means the scalar triple product, that will be what? Scalar where is this? This scalar triple product is non-zero, not equal to 0. You know that if it is equal to 0, we'll call it as linear dependent. Then you are getting a flat surface and it is coplanar. Linear dependent means coplanar. Linear independent means those are non-coplanar and the scalar triple product not equal to 0. Okay, those are the things we want to understand. So we'll discuss them one by one. The first is the thing what we want to do is we want to get this cross product. Okay, I will take the cross product first, then this A cross B, you know how to get this one, the ijk unit vectors, and the first one is a, therefore you have to put the coefficient of this a. 2, 5 and minus 3 corresponding to 5 is positive, 2 also positive, and minus 3. And for b is, it is 2i minus 2j, so here minus 2 and minus 4k, so it is minus 4. Now you know how to get this one. First you know that this is the first one is positive, here negative, and this is positive. So put then positive I times of you. I asked you to draw the vertical line and the horizontal line by crossing this side. So then the 5 and 5 minus 4 multiply and subtract by this thing. So 5 into minus 4 minus 5 minus 3 into minus 2. Okay. Then minus j, because this is minus j. Draw the lines, and 2 into minus 4 minus 3 into 2. Okay, and then k is positive, k 2 into minus 2 minus 5 into 2. Okay, then you can get the answer, that is I here minus 20, right? Minus 20 minus and minus is positive 6 and minus 6. Minus 6 minus positive 6 and minus 6. Minus j, here minus 8 is there, and here plus 6. Minus 8 plus 6 minus 2 and minus j is plus j. You can say minus 2j. Minus 8 and I will write the same manner, otherwise confusing. Minus 8 plus 6, and here plus k, you are getting here minus 4 and minus 10. So when you subtract the things, you will get the things minus 26i, and here minus 2 and plus 2j, plus here what? K value is minus 14. Minus 14k. So the rest of the things I will erase. I will keep only this part. Okay. So this is my A cross B, right? A cross B vector value. Okay, now it is done. Then sign value. I told that sign value is obtained by the cross product. So how do you define this one? So it is like this way. A cross B magnitude equals mod of A mod of B. Now it is sine theta. Earlier, you know that A dot B is there, and here mod of A and mod of B, and it is cos theta. Here cross product means it is sine theta. So now sine theta you can obtain by A cross B magnitude divided by mod of A mod of B. Okay, you can take the magnitude of A cross B by making the coefficient squared and getting the square root. So it is like minus 26 squared plus 2 squared plus minus 14 squared. Here 30 minus 4, right? 30 minus 4 all things squared. 30 is 900 90, 30 is 900. 30 minus 420. 920 is 700. 700, 660, 660, 676. 676. And here 4. And it is 196. If we add the 200 for this one, 876 and 872, 800. If you add 200 to this one is 876, but it had to be 872 and 876. Okay. Square root of 876 sine theta. Theta is divide by what? Divide by a mod of A and mod of B. Mod of A you can take easily. What is that? It is 2 squared. We'll take mod of A is 2 squared plus 5 squared plus minus 3 squared square root. 4 25 for 29, 29 9 38, right? Is that correct? 9 25 34 34 4 38. Okay, divide by 38 into B is what? B you can take mod of B, square of 2 squared plus minus 2 squared plus minus 4 squared square root. So here 4 4 8 8 16 is 24, right? 24. Can you divide by 24 here? I feel like you can divide, right? 3 72. 72. No, you can't divide. So the sine theta value, sine theta is, it is 876 divided by 38 and 24. You can divide by 12 here. 12 to 12 6. 72 15 is there. 156 means 12 no 7. Yeah, you can divide by 7. 12. 7 is how many 12s for 87? It's 84. 3 is there. 36 is 3. 73. Okay, then you are getting the answer as upper one is 73 and here 38 and 2 76. 73 divided by 76. Sin theta, you are getting the value as 0.9 something. 0.9. You can get the sine inverse value. That means it is the answer for the theta. Theta equals sine inverse 0.9. Okay. So I will erase this one now. That's the way you want to get the calculation. Those things you can use your own calculation methods. Okay. Anyway, the method was like you want to take it. The method was for that one. The taking the angle is, what is that? A cross B equals mod of A mod of B sine theta, and you can take sine theta as A cross B divided by A into B, and you can subtract the value for the mod value by having that earlier angle value, and you are divided by that one, right? Okay, Here we got A cross B as minus 26i plus 2j minus 14k. For easily we can written it like minus 26, 2 and minus 14. That's the way we are writing the things. Okay. And C vector also we can write, this is A cross B. And the C vector we can write like 2, here it is 2, 2y minus 2j, so it is minus 2 and minus 3. Okay, now we can say, how do we get the this cross product? Multiply with this C vector, that means it is the dot product. So you want to just in the scalar triple product, what will happen? You are multiplying this corresponding value and adding them up. So then the A cross B dot C means A cross B dot C means minus 26 into 2 plus 2 into minus 2 plus, now here minus 14 into minus 3. Now see what's the answer. Here you are getting minus 52 and here you are getting minus 4, right? Minus 4. And here you are getting plus, it is 42. And here answer minus 52 and plus 42 means it is just 10, minus 10. Minus 10 and 4 is minus 14. So the scalar triple product answer is minus 14. Okay, here you are getting the answer as minus 14. Minus 14, and it is non-zero value. Okay, what is this one? A cross B dot A. Okay, we know that when we are getting a cross product, okay, that cross product means we are getting a new vector. It is perpendicular to the given two vectors. We have discussed that thing in the last question. When we are getting the cross product, we are getting the new vector which is perpendicular to the given vectors. Now they are asking us to get the cross product with the vector A. Okay, now if we are getting the A cross B means that vector is perpendicular to the vector A. Now they are asking vector A and perpendicular vector, and you want to get the dot product. In a dot product, when those are perpendicular, the value is 0. Okay. In dot product, if we are having two perpendicular vectors, that dot product answer is 0. So we don't want to actually calculate with this is 0, because why? This A cross B is perpendicular to vector A, and A cross B is also perpendicular to vector B. Okay, if we calculate also, we are getting the answer as 0 here. But we'll see, we'll calculate the things and get that one. The conceptually I told in the cross product means, in the A and B cross product means that new vector is perpendicular to both A and B. Now that new vector you want to take as a dot product of A. That new vector is perpendicular to vector A, therefore dot product should be 0. Okay, that is the conceptual way. We'll see whether it is coming and in the other format as well. So we know that this is minus 26, minus 26. This is the cross product, 2 and minus 14. And what is vector A? Vector A is, it is A is 2, a 2y, 5j, so 5, and is minus 3. So you take this thing and add them up, multiply. Minus 26 into 2 is what? Minus 52 plus here 10, 2 into 5 is 10, and here what? plus minus 14 into minus 3. Here you are getting minus 42, right? Minus 42, no, this you are getting plus 42. Plus 42 and 10 is plus 52. Plus 52 minus 52, your answer is 0. So the answer is 0. So if you calculate also, you are getting the answer as 0. In the conceptual wisely also, it is answer is 0. Okay. Okay. So the answer is 0 for this one. So determine whether the above three vectors are linearly independent or not. Now here you are getting the scalar triple product as 0, but these are the cross product with one of the vectors. So these are coplanar. Okay. If it is 0 means those are coplanar, right? Whereas coplanar, that means those are linear dependent. Now here what's that? These three vectors, we are getting the answer as minus 14. Minus 14 is a non-zero value. Okay, I told that if three vectors are linear independent means their scalar triple product should be non-zero. Since A cross B dot C is non-zero, we can say that it is linear independent. Okay, so I will erase this one and we'll write there. The question number 5, what is that? A cross B dot C equals minus 40 and not equal to 0. Therefore, we can say A, vector A, vector B and C are linear independent. Linear independent because why? Because scalar triple product is non-zero. If it is non-zero means it is describing this type of parallel pipe. That means it has a volume. Okay, so this is linear independent. Okay, that's the thing you want to understand in this question.